Hi, this is the Next Gardener. Today we're going to talk about how to fertilize succulents. First, what you need to know before fertilization. If there is organic material in the soil you're using on your succulents, generally repotting your plants once a year is enough for succulents to grow. However, if you look forward to stronger roots and thicker leaves, sometimes feeding succulents at right time is helpful. If you want to feed your succulents, please do it in the growing seasons, not dormant time, where they won't absorb the nutrients very well, which may cause some disease or succulent etiolation. There are many types of succulent fertilizers, such as liquid fertilizer, slow-release fertilizer, even homemade organic fertilizer. And succulents require specific nutrients in different growing periods. In addition to some trace elements, the main nutrients in fertilizer are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The nitrogen fertilizer is to promote root development and nutrient absorption, phosphorus is to promote plant flowering and fruiting, and potassium is to make the root grow stronger. So how to fertilize your succulents? We highly recommend is mixing organic matters such as potting soil, cocoa fiber, tree barks with gritty rocks. This would make sure succulent has good drainage soil to live in and also get enough food from these matters. Because succulents themselves come from a harsh growing environment, they don't need rich soil to thrive. Basically, ensuring good light, temperature, and ventilation conditions, your succulents will grow very well. Secondly, if your succulents are thin and grow slowly, at this time, you can use slow-release fertilizer for succulents. Bury a few slow-release fertilizers in the pot, or mix them into the succulent soil you use. Both ways do work great. Compared with slow-release fertilizer, liquid fertilizers will work faster to promote the roots absorb nutrition. If you want to use liquid fertilizer, please mix it with water according to the instruction. Too much will cause leaves to get burned. Generally, feeding your succulents once a year is enough for full year growth. Of course, you can also homemade organic fertilizer. Crushing eggshell and mixing it into succulent soil at the ratio of 1:3 is a super easy and safe way to do that. And remember to wash the eggshells and let them dry out under the sun before using them. There are some others for homemade fertilizers, such as tea residues, beer, orange peels, animal bones, etc. The production of these will be more complicated, so don't try them if you are not familiar with succulent fertilizer made. This is today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.